Hi friends, myself Manoj. Welcome to my YouTube blog Food Lover. Today we have came to Kebab King. Here all the kebab items are very delicious. They will serve you with mutton, chicken and different types of kebab. So be with me, watch the video till the end. And signing off. Bye bye. So friends, let's go inside the restaurant and find out how's it. So this is the entrance, guys. And here is the manager of Kebab King. And you can see the counter over here. And this is the sitting area for the customers. Nice view outside. You can see the decorations are pretty fine. The color combination, everything is very good. Due to COVID, very less customers are there. And now we are going upstairs. Now I have came up, and as usual I am with my friends. Hi Mr. Sean. Hi Mr. Muthu. So while my friends sit back and relax, I will show you the sitting area, the arrangements. Here you can see this particular area is specially designed for the families. If you come with a family, you can sit separately over here. You can sit and enjoy the food. It's designed for the family. And if you are coming with friends, want to sit separately, you can sit over here. It's good. This is the counter at the upstairs. Very few customers are there due to the corona situation. My friend Mr. Sean. And here is the menu, guys. I will show you the menu. Different varieties are there. Different kinds of kebab, fried rice, many things. Here you can see the Arabic food, the mixed meza. We called it meza. And hummus. Hot appetizers. This is section for appetizers. Mixed grill. Here you can see the Indian cuisine. All the Indian foods are being listed out there. And this is the butter chicken, mutton rogan gosh, those items. And here the chicken biryani rice and everything. Then next is the fried rice, then chili chicken. And then comes the normal snacks and drinks. That's it. We have placed our order and here is our order ready. So here comes the hummus, the french fries. So this is only part of it. Our major food items what we have ordered are still coming. This is the mixed grill. You can see it's a combination of chicken as well as mutton. Both. We have ordered both. So it's a mixed grill along with the long chili. By looking to the color and texture of this mutton kebab and chicken kebab, you can understand it's tasty. Along with this, we have ordered mutton biryani. It will be enjoyed with this tasty curd. Apart from that, we have our mixed fried rice. So this is the entire food items what we have ordered. So friends, we have planned it to start with the grilled items first. The mutton and the chicken grill. We can't ignore it. So this is the first item what we are going to try. After that, we will be moving on to the biryani. And then finally, we will be sharing this mixed fried rice. And here you can see the Arabic dishes. The first one, covered with olive oil, it's hummus. Then it is tomato sauce. Then little salad. Then the next one is muttabil. It's also made up of chickpeas. Then salad is there, that is Arabic salad. So this all is a must item whenever you have kebab. It adds to the taste. We are having some rotis also to enjoy with that. So here is it. And here is my all-time favorite French fries. So we are just about to start. My friend Mr. Sean very excited. So among us, Mr. Sean is the first one to taste it. This food is particularly not only tasty but it's very healthy. You can see the tomato sauce and the chickpeas, the ingredients what has been used to prepare. It's very healthy So we will be enjoying it and telling you how's it. So here he goes with the mutton and chicken kebab.
This is mutton sheikh kebab, mutton piece, which is you can say like mutton fry or mutton kebab. Chicken marinated in yogurt, my favorite. Let's start with the bread. Awesome.
So now it's my turn to taste this mutton kebab. Really nice, good. Now I'm going to taste this, my favorite chili. Even I can eat this chili like this. I love chili. Need little water. And here is my friend Mr. Muthu. He is also going to enjoy the kebab, chicken as well as the mutton kebab with the hummus and mutabil. Do you like it? Yes, huh? So now my friend Mr. Sean, he is going to enjoy the mixed fried rice. You can see it's a mixture of vegetables, egg is there, chicken is there. So it's a proper mix of veg and non-veg. It was really delicious. How's the mixed fried rice? Good? So now it's my turn to taste this mutton biryani. Here you can biryani itself, the mutton piece was well cooked. So overall the kebab items as well as the biryani, it was super at Kebab King. Really nice, very good in taste. Using hands. Well cooked, good taste. Biryani. So the food over here at Kebab King, the biryani and the kebab items all were pretty delicious. We enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Thank you.